National Wireless Emergency Alert System. The purpose is to maintain and improve alert. I'm trying to see. They already had the alarm. They were 2 minutes early. So I don't know if, it just, so mine came at 2:18 too. That's why I wanted to get off early. I assume I'm broadcasting right now, but I really don't. Hey, Tom. I can't get a hold of my producer in there, production office. So let's. This is a test of the National Wireless Emergency Alert System. The support of maintain, improve warning capabilities at federal, state, local, tribal, and territorial levels. Evaluate the nation's public alert and warnings capability. No actions required. Bunch of text saying they got it, already got it. So I have 2 unread alerts. So again, I'm not sure. It said 2:20, and it's right now 2:20 and 20 seconds. I might not be broadcasting. So you may or may not be listening to me. I didn't hear anything.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
Okay. All righty. Thank you.